and biology. So next topic is reproductive glands. Reproductive glands. So normally there are the two reproductive organs occur in the human body. So the male, they are having a testis. Male, they are having a testis. Female, so ovary. So the two reproductive organ. What is the main aim of the reproductive organ? The formation of the male gamete in male reproductive organ. So the female gamete in the female reproductive organ. In addition of that, the reproductive organ they act as a endocrine gland. So act as a endocrine gland. So this endocrine gland, they secrete the hormone to control the reproductive system. So it is called a reproductive gland. Reproductive gland. So the first one, so they have a male reproductive organ is called a testis. So the testis is a contained reproductive gland. Here they have in a testis means the numerous seminiferal tubules. So the tubules are present. Between the tubules, they are having a cells are present, Leydig cell. And the Sertoli cell. Sertoli cell is act as a nurse cell. It means they provide the food for the developing the sperm cell. But Leydig cell is act as an endocrine gland. The Leydig cell is act as an endocrine gland. So they produce a male sex hormone is called the testosterone. Male sex hormone is called a testosterone. What is the functions of the testosterone? It influences on the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means a formation of sperm in the male reproductive organ. How the sperms are formed in the testes? During this time, so the testosterone is the more influence. Second point is also used for the formation of, so the formation of protein. A formation of protein molecule. And control the muscular growth. Control the muscular growth. Second point. Are used for the stimulate the formation of protein. And also to control the muscular growth. Is also used for the development of the secondary sexual character. So third point, used for the secondary sexual character. It means a distribution of hairs on the body and the face. A distribution of hairs on the body and the face. And also they have in a deep voice pattern. The shoulder enlargement. These are the secondary sexual character in male. These are the main functions of the testosterone. These are the main functions of the testosterone. Then a female reproductive organ female reproductive organ is called ovary. So the ovary they produce in ova or egg cell. In addition that, normally the ovas are present in the abdominal cavity of the pelvic region. This also act as a endocrine gland. They produce two type of hormone. One is called estrogen. Another one is called progesterone. So they have two type of hormone. Two type of hormone. Estrogen is produced by Graafian follicle. Estrogen is produced by a Graafian follicle of the ovary. So the progestins are secreted by corpus luteum. So estrogen is secreted by Graafian follicle. Progesterone are secreted by corpus luteum. When their corpus luteum are formed, after ovulation, the Graafian follicle is converted into corpus luteum. Then, what is the functions of estrogen? First point. So bring about the changes occur during the puberty. During the puberty. Changes occur during the puberty. The initiation of second one is the initiation of process of oogenesis. Initiation of the process of oogenesis. It means the formation of ova in the female reproductive system. The process is called oogenesis. At the time the development of the egg, so the meiosis cell division that takes place, they produce oogenesis. And also they stimulate the maturation of the ovarian follicle. So it's also used for the stimulate the maturation of the ovarian follicle in the ovary. So they promote the development of secondary sexual character in the female. Sexual character in the female. So breast development, high pitch voice, and also the has distribution in the reproductive organ. So these are the secondary sexual character in the female. But the functions of the progesterone, so first point, so premenstrual changes in the uterus. Premenstrual changes occur in the uterus. Before the menstrual cycle, they are prepared for the menstrual cycle. So they prepare the uterus for, next one is called that. They prepare the uterus for implantation. So what is the meaning of implantation? They fertilize the embryo, they fix in the uterine wall or uterus wall. It is called an implantation. After fertilization, So they develop into embryo. Embryo fixed in the uterus wall. The process is called implantation. So the progesterone hormones plays the vital role for the implantation of the embryo. And also third point, to maintain the pregnancy. So to maintain the pregnancy. So what are the changes occur during the pregnancy period? The changes is controlled by progesterone hormone. The next one, it is essential for the formation of placentation. What is the placentation? A formation of placenta. A tube is between, so the embryo and the mother's uterine wall. They have a small tube-like structure. It is called the placenta. Through the placenta, the food material is transformed from mothers to embryo, or waste material transformed from the embryo to mothers. And also they have a gaseous exchange. So the water and materials needed for the embryo passing through the placenta. So what are the waste materials formed in the embryo? They transform through the placenta to the mother's blood. These are the main functions of the placenta. Thank you very much.